Hello and welcome to the English Cookie. In the last video, we learned alphabets. Today, we will understand something very important. What are vowels and consonants? What are vowels? In English, there are 26 alphabets. Out of these, only 5 letters are vowels. A, E, I, O, U. These are called vowels. Vowels are special letters in English because we can pronounce them easily without stopping our voice or closing the mouth. For example, A, E, I, O, U. As you can see, when I pronounced these letters, my mouth was not closed. What are consonants? All the remaining 21 letters are called consonants. When we pronounce consonants, our voice stops or the tongue touches somewhere in the mouth, like B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. So, 5 vowels plus 21 consonants is equal to 26 letters. Now let's try some easy words. Apple. In this word, the letter A is a vowel. Ball. In this word, the letter B is a consonant. Let's try some more words and this time you guess. Umbrella. Can you tell me in this word umbrella, the letter U, is it a vowel or a consonant? Exactly, U is a vowel. One more word, dog. Can you tell me in this word dog, the letter D, is it a vowel or a consonant? The letter D is a consonant. So today you learned what are vowels, what are consonants and how to identify them. Practice this daily and your English will become stronger step by step. If you liked the video, please like and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe the English Cookie. See you in the next video.